In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Xero. Whether you're a business owner looking to delegate bookkeeping tasks, or a manager aiming to distribute responsibilities amongst your team, mastering the process of granting access in Xero is essential for smooth operations. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step so you can ensure your team has the right tools and access levels they need to support your business efficiently. Let's start from the beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that. It's your gateway to managing your Xero account and subsequently giving others access to it. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These credentials are your key to accessing your Xero dashboard, so make sure you input them correctly. If you've forgotten your password, there's a helpful forgot your password link right there to guide you through the reset process. Now hit the login button. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Xero dashboard. It's from here that the magic happens. However, to proceed with giving access, you'll need to dive a bit deeper into the settings. Locate the Your Organization link on your dashboard. This might be directly visible, or it may be under a drop-down menu depending on your setup. Clicking this will take you to a more detailed page about your organization, where you can manage various settings. Next, it's time to click on Settings. You might need to scroll a bit or navigate through the dashboard to find this, but it's there, usually represented with a gear icon for easy recognition. The settings page is where you can configure a wide array of options related to your account and organization. Once in the settings menu, you'll see a section or a link labeled Users. Click on this. It's the section specifically designed for managing the people who can access your Xero organization. You'll be able to see a list of current users and their access levels here. To add a new user, you'll find an inviting button or link that says Invite a User. This is what you're looking for. Clicking on this will start the process of adding a new member to your Xero environment. You'll be prompted to fill in the details of the new user. This includes basic information such as their name and email address. Make sure you enter this information correctly to avoid any issues with the invite being sent to the wrong place. Once you've filled in their personal details, the crucial part comes: choosing their permissions. Xero provides a range of access levels, from standard user roles to more specific permissions like payroll access. Take a moment to consider what access the new user truly needs to fulfill their role in your organization effectively. This will depend on the tasks they need to perform and the information they need access to. Choose wisely to maintain the security and integrity of your Xero data. Finally, after selecting the appropriate permissions, you'll click Send Invite. This sends an email to the user you're adding, inviting them to join your Xero organization. They'll need to accept the invite and set up their own login credentials to get started. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of giving access to a new user in Xero. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to get each step right to ensure your team has the right access from the get-go. Remember, you can always go back and adjust permissions as needed, so don't worry if you need to make changes down the line. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: make it a regular practice to review the users and their access levels in your Xero account. This helps ensure that only the right people have access to sensitive financial information, and it's an essential part of managing your digital security. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Giving access to your Xero account doesn't have to be complicated, and now you're equipped to handle it confidently. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any steps, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy bookkeeping and see you in the next tutorial.